Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by running Xampp Control Panel as an administrator so services start cleanly. Once done, start Apache and MySQL and note the installation folder, usually C/Xampp, because you will reference PHP and MySQL executables there. Make sure you open Command Prompt as administrator next. That avoids permission problems when adding system variables. You're taking these first steps now to create a reliable link between Xampp and CMD. So subsequent commands run directly without navigating into Xampp each time. Now you'll add Xampp executables to your path so CMD finds them anywhere. Open system environment variables, edit the system path, and add C/Xampp/PHP plus C/Xampp/MySQL/bin. This makes PHP and MySQL commands global. Once saved, close and reopen Command Prompt. Environment changes require a new session. Then run PHP and MySQL version to verify the command's return versions. This step saves you from constantly CDing into Xampp and explains why commands behave the same across terminals. Finish by verifying real operations. Run PHP to see PHP, then MySQL uroot p to connect to MySQL. You can also cd C/Xampp/htdocs and run PHP localhost 8000 for a quick server. If something fails, make sure Apache/MySQL are running in Xampp Control Panel and that you opened Command Prompt with administrator rights. One key troubleshooting tip: always restart Command Prompt or reboot after changing path so Windows loads the new environment. This resolves most connectivity problems immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.